Hey, so this is going to be a quick video to show you how to get VPython installed on your machine. If you have a previous copy of Python or VPython on your computer, I'm suggesting you wipe that clean, just drop everything in the trash and start all over with the latest version of VPython. So if you follow the directions on vpython.org, you will successfully get VPython loaded up on your computer. If you're on a Windows, go to the Windows download. You see the download link up here. If you're back home, you can get the download link um, in the text or over here in this bar on the left. Windows, there's two versions. You decide which one works with your computer. Don't worry about older versions, and read these instructions down to conditions of use. Okay, they might not all make sense now, but they will as we go forward. I've got a Mac, so if you're on a Mac, you should use these instructions. Note that you have to download and install Python before you install VPython. Okay, you can't do it the other way around or it just won't work. So download and install Python, then download and install the VPython. And I've already downloaded these things, so you didn't have to watch me do that. I'm going to go up to my downloads, and there you can see Python. And I double click that, it opens up this drive, and that Python make package, it looks like a little box being opened, is the installer. So I'm just going to click through, agree to the licensing terms, hit install, and it's going to ask me for a password. So I'm right now installing the latest version of Python and VPython. Well, not the latest version of Python, the latest version of VPython. And the reason I'm doing that instead of using what I already had on my computer is that I want exactly the same version as you, so if we have any problems, we can all have problems together. Okay, now since I've got Python installed, I can now install VPython. So I go through the same steps, give it my password again, and this is going to be done real soon. You want to bookmark this vpython.org. Okay, you're going to come back here often because there's a documentation page that's just full of information that you will find useful. It's a lot faster to read documentation than it is to guess, believe it or not. It will be your friend. The documentation will be your friend. You should learn how to start using documentation for programs. Okay, look, we've installed Python, we've installed VPython. And if I look into my applications folder on a Windows machine, it'll be under the program folder. You can find a new folder that wasn't there before called Python 2.7. There you go. And then if we look down in the V's, we'll see this thing that was installed by VPython called VIDLE. Now VIDLE is an IDE, is Integrated Development Environment. That's what we actually write programs in. So if you double click that, you open up a window, and this is the window you would actually write programs in. So the next short screencast I give you will take us through testing. From this point, we want to test to make sure everything's working right, and then we'll have a following program that'll show you how to write a following screencast, which will show you how to write your first program. Okay, so that's it.